Furhat is a social robot with a human-like face and advanced conversational AI, designed for interaction, education, and research. Realistic eye contact and head movements improve interaction. It can be used for customer service, education, research, and healthcare. Common applications include a virtual receptionist, a language tutor, an interview trainer, and a medical assistant. Furhat can teach and train people. It acts as a virtual teacher, coach, or interviewer. It can recognize and respond to faces. It identifies users and remembers past interactions. It can engage in real conversations. It can hold dynamic, multi-turn conversations like a human. Furhat adapts its responses based on context and conversation flow. It uses gaze tracking to focus on different speakers in a group. Programmable via the Furhat SDK, allowing developers to create custom applications. Furhat integrates with AI services, APIs, and third-party platforms. It supports voice assistants, databases, and chatbot frameworks. Furhat has speech recognition limitations. It may struggle in noisy environments or with complex accents and dialects. It can misinterpret phrases, requiring fine-tuning for certain applications. Companies and researchers can customize Furhat's behavior for specific industry needs.